Here is one of the easiest methods for you guys to earn money online. Imagine that you could earn up to $350 without investing a single penny, without using any websites or YouTube videos whatsoever. With this method, you can do all the steps in less than 2 minutes and claim your rewards again and again. As I demonstrate in this video, you can generate a great deal of income with the internet. This income stream can now be set up by anyone. You don't need to make videos of yourself, you don't need a following on social media, and you don't need a profile on social media. This method can be performed entirely at home. There's no need to work outside and earn a living, just earn a home. The method is 100% free, and you don't need to deposit any money or pay any fees. Like pretty much all the other methods on this channel, it is 100% free. It is also applicable globally. Thus, there is no need to set up a VPN, and all that because this method will work regardless of your location. For me to know where my viewers are coming from, please comment down below from what country you are viewing right now. I will show you in this video how you can set up this awesome income stream step by step. I will share some secrets and tips with you in this video that you can use today to double or even triple your online income, if you pay attention. Let me open by saying hello, and welcome to our daily online money-making lessons. Subscribe to the channel so you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. If you have any concerns, questions, or opinions, remember to leave a comment below. We will respond. We will now watch the video. Using this method, we'll be using one main website to make a ton of money. The website that we're going to be using is this website right here called VFly. You guys can very quickly head over to this website by clicking on the address bar of your browser and type in vfly.com. Now some of you might be wondering, what is this VFly website? So basically, VFly helps people grow their YouTube videos organically. Not a lot of people know about VFly, and they don't know that you can use this to grow your channel to gain more subscribers, and to get real views and engagements, or even make their YouTube videos go viral. Now how this works is that VFly will basically run YouTube and Google ads for the channel and videos, and grow these organically by reaching out to real targeted people that want to watch your videos based on their preferences. So this is not one of those websites where you like bias and fake views, or fake followers, or fake subs, because this website will connect you to a real audience. Now, this is also not magic, because there's actual science and maths that we use to determine who would be interested in your type of videos. And they will connect you to that large audience that you're unable to reach by using official YouTube and Google advertisements. So this is a very legit website that some people also use to grow their own YouTube channels. And this website is convenient because it's doing all the hard work for those people. Now again, as I've said at the beginning of this video, you don't need to have a YouTube channel to utilize this method today. You don't need a camera and you won't be making any YouTube videos. Now if you scroll down here it says VFly will help you get more YouTube views. VFly uses the last year's promotion strategies to increase YouTube views and reach using Google AdWords from the right audience. So for example, if someone wants to grow a travel channel, VFly will promote their channel and their videos to people onto the internet that are interested in traveling and want to watch travel videos. So that way the channel will get long-term viewers and subscribers and more engagement. So this is a great tool for owners of YouTube channels, and there have been more and more people creating YouTube channels because of the money that you can make from YouTube. So using this website is easy. The first step is to enter your YouTube video URL. Paste your YouTube video URL that you wish to promote. Getting started to promote your YouTube channel is this easy. Now for the second step, enter keywords and select countries to promote YouTube videos. You need to provide keywords that match your video content the most. Also, add a basic idea of the countries your target audience is most likely to come from. And finally for step number 3, get ready views, subscribers, and likes. And once you've finished doing all of those steps, we're done with the first part. We will now set up your ad campaign to get more views on YouTube. And once we are up and running, your views, likes and subscribers will start pouring in. So by just following those simple, quick and easy steps, you can start to grow your YouTube channel organically in the long term, because of all those views, likes, and subscribers, and those are all from real people that are interested in your YouTube channel. So if you guys also scroll down a little bit down here, you'll find that there are reviews that VFly users have left. And as you can see, they have high ratings. So that means that this website is legit, and it is very effective. So don't worry guys, You will not have to grow your own YouTube channel or promote your own YouTube videos for this method today. You will not have to invest any money to utilize this amazing website. I want you guys to head back to the top of this website right over here and look for this button that says register. And I want you to just go ahead and click on that. And it will take you to this page right over here, where you can sign in using Facebook or Google, or you can also just go ahead and create an account by using your email address. Now, a really good suggestion right here for those of you who want to register with your email is that you guys can create a new dummy email account to register on this website. That is just because some websites like these tend to send a lot of promotional material into your email. And these promotional materials might end up flooding your email and you might miss some important emails. So just because of this, I use a dummy email and I recommend that you guys do it too. Anyways, just fill this up as you would and then you are good to go to already have your very own brand new VFly account. We are now going to talk about the next step. And I will introduce you guys to the second website that you need to utilize to start earning money with VFly. Before we continue this video, I would like to tell you guys that we post videos every single day that have to do with making money online on this channel. The goal of this channel is to help you guys create a steady stream of online income. I put so much effort into these videos to make sure that every one of these methods works properly. So I would appreciate it if you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell. And also do not forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. Now let's get back into the video. So basically what we're going to be doing with this method today is that we're going to be drop servicing. Now drop servicing is basically when you are going to connect services from the fly to other websites. Now there are a lot of ways that you can go on about this, but today we're going to be using a freelancing website, so you can choose any freelancing website you want. But for the sake of this video, today, I'm going to be using Fiverr as an example. Now, you can very quickly head over to this website by clicking on the address bar of your browser and typing in fiverr.com. And that's where the double is. Now if you guys just go ahead and search for growing on YouTube, you will see that there are a bunch of people here on Fiverr that are offering that service for different amounts of money. So what you guys can do here is you can create an offer. So let's say around $50 to grow someone's views on their YouTube video. If you head back to VFly, we can see it states here every $10 will get you 800 to 1,500 views, right? So based on the targeting that you have selected, longer videos tend to gain lesser views as compared to the short ones. And the best part is they only charge for views. Anything else you gain, like comments, likes and subscribers, is free. So let's say if you go onto Fiverr and create an offer where you charge $50 to get someone 2,400 views on their video. Now if someone takes that and pays you $50, then you can just go ahead and go to VFly and pay them $30, then get them 2,400 views to around 3,500 views on their video, and then you have an extra $20 for yourself. So all you have to do is get their link, and then go back here to VFly and paste the link here and pay them their $30, and that's it. You will start to gain views on their video. Now you can repeat this method again and again, and earn that big money, and that is the end of the video. Before we go, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that you will be notified when we post new content on this channel. And don't forget to smash that like button and leave a comment down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video.